Hi everyone, welcome back to my stream. Just making sure everything's okay here. Bear with me a moment. Right, yeah. Hello, I am Michael Coates. If you're not familiar with who I am the founder and creator of a website called thesewingguru.com, and it is the leading sewing and tailoring learning website on the internet. And not only that, we cater for the beginner, the intermediate, all the way up to the high-end professional. And we also have alterations, crafting, machine embroidery, and lots of other videos, pet wear course as well, and it's just massive. So we cater for everyone, and basically what I want to say is that we have some great offers at the moment. We have free sewing e-tips. Now I'm going to show you in a moment how to get all of these, but we've got free sewing e-tips, and what it is they're all downloadable and you can create a booklet like this, and they really are very valuable to have. We have a free membership to join the Sewing Guru, and I'm going to show you and go through the process of how to do that in a moment. And we also have a fantastic offer to join as a full member on the website, and it's a massive money off offer. So we've got some great things. So saying that, let's get into it. Let's not waste any time, and let's just get into that thing, because you don't want to know about anything else. You want to know about how to do that. So first of all, I'm going to go live, right, on the internet. Here we are, we're live. Now to get your free membership, now there is links on the description next to this video, okay, so there's links there. So if you can't find, if you're not too sure what I'm doing here, just go to the links and you will go to the same place as what I'm showing you right now. But first of all, what you need to do, one of the links is for a free membership to the Sewing Guru itself. So what you want to do is go to thesewingguru.com. Okay, you can find that on Google search, everything else. Go to thesewingguru.com and press here, free membership. So when you click that, you can then put in your details here, your full name and your email, where you source. So for instance here, Facebook, and then you click register. And that's it. It's as simple as that. And there is a video here explaining exactly how to do it and everything. And that's it. We will send you an email and you will get your login details and you will be able to log into the website 100% free. Now if you can't find your email in your inbox, don't worry, because it's probably been dropped into your junk folder. It's an absolute nightmare, I've got to say. When you are genuinely going for offers and all that kind of thing, you would expect your email to be into your inbox. Well, it doesn't always turn out to be like that. It will end up in your junk folder. So either check your inbox or your junk folder and it will be in there. Check those and you'll see your login details. Log into the website and you will be able to have a look at our free membership section. And have a look at what the site has to offer. It's a massive site and you won't be disappointed. Like I say, it's 100% free. So go for it, just do that. Now we also have the free set of e-tips. I'm going to go back to the internet as well. Now I think it's either the second link or the first link in the description of this video, and you will see the complete set of free sewing e-tips. Now click to start. And what happens, you will see a pop-up. Fill out the form below. Here's email, full name, and claim your exclusive e-tips today. Click that, and it will take you and redirect you to a page where you get your free e-tips. Now, also as well, we have a fantastic offer on at the moment, and it's a massive reduction from the main price of the site. The main price of the site is like $142 for a year. And we have got it at a massively low amount of money for 12 months access. And not only that, it gives you full access just like you would do if you were paying $142. There is no difference at all. You get full, unlimited, unrestricted access to every single video and e-tip and PDF file and everything in the website. It's all there, and it's a brilliant offer. So what you need to do, we're going to go back to the site again. Let's go back to the home page. What you need to do is go to email here. Alright, now this works on mobile, iPad, every single platform. It's all the same. And what you need to do is you need to email us, put your email in there, and send us the message offer. That's all you need to do. Just press this and type offer. Oh, I spelled that wrong. Offer. There you go. And press send. And what will happen is we will send you an offer to join. An offer you can't refuse. Like I say, it's got massive reduction from the normal price, and it is an unrestricted full membership. Now the best thing about this offer as well is say if you go for this offer with this massive reduction and you decide to stay longer than 12 months, because believe me, the site is really that big, and it takes a lot longer than a year to learn sort of everything that you would need. If you decide to stay for more than a year, your payments will not alter from the offer price. So for instance, the normal price is $142. Say you pay, I don't know, $80 for a year, right? The offer is a lot lower than that, but just say you pay $80, then the next year it will be $80 as well again. So it's a great offer, and it doesn't change. The price does not differ. So it's really great. It's genuine. It's not fake. It's not a scam. It is genuine, and believe me, you will not be disappointed. A lot of people going for this offer. And they absolutely love the site. They cannot believe how good the Sewing Guru is, and they are learning so much from us. It's massive. Now, also as well, what I want to do is I'm going to go through, just briefly, the process. Now, this is only one collection in the site itself. The process of how to make a tailored jacket. And it really is in depth. Now, all of these videos are available as a full member of the site. Okay, so there's 32 videos there, and this is just for the tailored jacket. So first of all, you got here video 1, which is equipment. We're going to be talking about the equipment. Then your process is, first of all, we show you how to measure. We then show you how to do your pattern preparation. When you've done your pattern preparation, you then create a toile, and from the toile you then adjust your toile. So you would pin your toile to fit you, or however you're making it fall. You would adjust your toile, and then that would then become your pattern. I then show you how to put fusings and interfacings, canvases for the jacket itself, how to create the lining panels, cutting them, fusing all of the panels as well, and then we've got all of the makeup. So we've got the different pockets, the preparation to create piped pockets, then we're actually making them, creating them, welt pockets, which is the upper welt pocket on the jacket, then the canvases, and it just goes on. And then you create the side vents, creating the sleeves, so the sleeves with a vent there, inserting the shoulder pads. It's absolutely massive, as you can see. 32 videos, and that basically is the process there of how to create a tailored jacket. Now, if I go back to the actual membership panel here, this is what you get as a full member in the website itself. And as you can see here, that was just the jacket there. You've got the industrial jacket, standard jacket, 4 different jackets there, shirts, waistcoats, accessories. So there's ties in there, bow ties, trousers. Look at all different trousers, including jeans as well. That's a massive collection, the jeans collection. Measuring, pattern construction, skirt, dress, pajamas. We have for the beginners here the sewing machine course, the beginner's sewing course, advanced lessons, and then we have other parts of the site here. We've got a full-on crafting section here, a massive pet wear section here, and then we've got a huge clothing alteration section there. And also as well, when you join, you get the free set of sewing tips here. These are downloadable e-tips. Now, can you see? Look at this lot. There's about 50 odd there, and it's massive. And it really is a massive website. Now, all of those e-tips create a book of this size. It's massive. There's so many tips in here. Look at them all. Look at that. Now all of those tips are available on the member section of the site. So that's all I wanted to do today. Just come on and mention that. So don't forget, if you're interested in joining the site, email us offer on the contact us form, and then we have the 2 links in the description of this video, the free e-tips and also to join for a free membership. And it is completely free. It doesn't cost any money at all. It is 100% free. So go for that and enjoy yourselves with the site itself, because it really is worth it. It is a great site and you will learn so much. And there is something in there to do with that everybody would be interested. There's something in there guaranteed that you would be interested in to do with sewing. So thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next stream. Bye for now. Bye.